It is a grieving process to find out that there's a challenge that your child is going to have to deal with. There's a lot of fear, there's a lot of unknown. We specialize in kids that have not discovered a communication system yet and are possibly non-vocal. I see kids that come in completely nonverbal, and we can get them talking sometimes within a matter of weeks. Some of my greatest joys have been being able to see kids talk for the first time. We have little ones that come in using sign language, and then they develop vocalizations. Seeing some of our kids be able to go to kindergarten. I've been asked on many occasions if we ever turn clients away or if there's ever a case we don't take, and the answer is no. We're in this together. We're going to walk you through this journey, and we understand that you're in the right place, and we're going to help you.